Funde isiXhosa no-Penguin neetshomi zakhe.
Iintsingiselo zamagama esiXhosa. isiXhosa names and their meanings. Sabelo, an allocation, inheritance. Sakhe, build us, unite us. Sakhiwo, a building, a structure. Samkelo, a welcome gift, acceptance. Sandile, we have increased. Sanele, we are satisfied. We have enough. Sanelisiwe, we have been satisfied. We are content. Sandiswa, we have been increased. We are multiplied.
Ze niphinde nibuye nizokuqhubeka ufunda isiXhosa no-Penguin neetshomi zakhe. Don't forget to like and follow. Bye!